Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to reset your Acer laptop to factory settings on your Windows 11. Very easy. Now the first thing I need you to do is right click on this start icon, okay? And then go ahead and click on settings. So we're going to be accessing Windows settings. Now just keep in mind before we proceed with this, once you factory reset, everything will be lost, all your data, okay? Then just come here, click on update and security on this option right here, and then come here and click on a recovery on the left hand panel. Now here under recovery you get multiple options to factory reset. Okay, so what you want to do is click on a get started right here. So we're going to get two options. One is to keep all your files, and the other one is to go ahead and remove everything. Okay, so these are the two options. I suggest you keep your personal files, but if you want to completely factory reset it, if someone else is going to be using your PC, click here on remove everything. Make sure you have enough charge or that your computer is charging, and it's really that easy and simple. Make sure you subscribe and smash that like button for Sasha. Get more.